Here we are at the Eastport Breakwater, and we are going jellyfishing. Just look down there. And what happens in this area is the tide rolls in, and this set of docks here forms a little gyre. And there's just piles of jellies that get kind of trapped in here until the very low water, and then they get sucked out. So what we're looking for today are these Pleurobrachia is the genus. Looks like a walnut. In fact, they're called sea walnuts, or also gooseberries. Essentially a little round glob about ½ inch to an inch sometimes in size, and then they have these two long tentacles that stick out behind them that they use for feeding. So let's go down and check it out. Perfect June day for this. Oh my gosh, look at them all. There's hundreds of them, maybe even thousands. Comb jellies going by, you can see isopods, the sea walnuts. Let's look over here. Oh my gosh, there's a jillion of them right here. You probably can't see them very well, but let's get to work netting some up. Let's see what we can get. Beauty. See comb jelly to the right, and the sea walnuts, all kinds of them zinging around. But we're going to take this pool skimming net, just go around and slide it under some of these and pull it up. Oh, look at that. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 in the first scoop. Drop them right into the old bucket. We'll add some water. We got about 20. Look at them go. Gotta get a little water in the bucket. What's nice about the skimmers, you just dip them up and pop them right in. Come on, little walnuts. Wow. It's been a long time since I've seen this many in one spot. There we go, we got about a dozen right there. Let's see if we can get a few more than a dozen on this swipe. We're going for 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What happens to the net is it kind of gets slimed up, and then the water doesn't pass through it. They get pushed to the side. Oh, that was a good one. It's nice. I can sit right here in the shade and net these up all morning long. About 15 there. Wow. Thousands here. Just look at them down that little band of sunlight. We got 6, 7, 8.
What are you doing?
I'm actually on the end of the Eastport Breakwater netting up these little tiny Pleurobrachia jellyfish. So, all right, we've had a successful sea walnut hunt. I've got perhaps 400 or 500 in there. I'm going to take them back to the lab and preserve them. And those will go for teaching specimens out west. You can see how there's still a bit of slime on the net, but that's what happens when you're netting up jellyfish. What a nice morning out here on the bay.